So hello guys, I'm back. It's been a long day since I did my video. I'm not sure why, but yeah, playing the SG-76. Finally upgraded it for its highest tank gun. Yay! Does pretty much a good amount of damage. Better than a Marder 2, but same, pretty much same armor, but mine's better than his, but he has more health, hit points. He got 250 hit points, I got 240. There's no difference. There is, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah. There's T-82. On the other side, he can one-shot me. So, I'm not sure what gun he has. But, I'm not sure. If he has that tank gun, then yeah. I'm pretty much lucky. I see him. So I do a good amount of damage on him. And one more shot and he's dead. It depends on my, depends how I shoot him, what angle. Yeah, yeah. Nah, it's a 2-shot then. It's a 3-shot. Nah, I know. I think I need to lower this. But, yeah, 1 shot and he's dead. I'm not gonna go frontwards because, I'm gonna get killed, obviously. Yeah, he's gonna die. I know that. Yeah, I think they're there. They were not spotted the whole time. So that's why I couldn't. Oh. See that pet? Does it get shot? No. I missed that shot. I'm reloading, reload. This thing takes so long to reload. Not that much, but yeah, I'm getting shot. Gonna hide, take cover. Yeah, I'm gonna take a bit of cover so I don't get shot in the middle of something. Because, yeah, I just don't want to die. That Mark got more health than me. I spotted more people, probably, I'm not sure. I see a Panzer III down there. That main corner. No, that Panzer IIIA was in my way for me to shoot the Panzer IIIA. No, I didn't see anything. And we see that shot as well. And then Panzer. No, I missed that shot. Another shot and he's dead probably. I'm waiting for this tank to reload. I'm reloading. Yeah, he's coming out probably. I killed him before he even found me, so I think I'm gonna die, ask for help. Probably gonna lose him. Yeah, dodge that T2 shot. No. He misses that shot. I hate. Yeah. Shoot. Shoot. I die. Swear guys, could you another tank review? Bye bye.